Vernier Caliper. Function of caliper. A caliper is an instrument used to measure the dimension of an object, i.e., the diameter or depth of a hole. Discovered. Pierre Vernier, born August 19, 1584, Ornans, France, died September 14, 1638, Ornans. Was a French mathematician and government official best remembered for the invention of the Vernier Caliper, an instrument for making precise linear measurements. Vernier calipers are commonly used to measure the diameter of circular objects. The circular jaws of a Vernier caliper fit snugly around the circumference of round objects. A Vernier caliper has two scales, the main scale which is fixed, and a moving vernier scale. The main scale gives readings in millimeters. The least measurement taken by a Vernier caliper is called least count. Generally, the least count of a Vernier caliper measuring in inches is 0.001 inch and the least count of a Vernier caliper measuring in millimeters is 0.01 millimeters.